Yo, it's Al, and welcome to another episode of Al's Fits and Kicks. Today I'm here in Madrid. I've took a one-day trip, so we're going to try and make as much of the time as possible, check out all the stores, and see what we can pick up. So let's get it. So right now I'm outside the WOW concept store. This is 5 floors of just pure bliss, from skincare, technology, smells and perfumes, to apparel, sneakers, and everything in between. So without further ado, let's go and check some of this out. So now that I'm back, let's check out what I copped while shopping in Madrid. To start it off, we have the WOW concept Stuff Snow Globe tee, which I had to pick up as just a little remember of the trip. Next up, we have the NIGO dad cap with the familiar YKK zipper. Just this little adjustable in the back is amazing, and yeah, with the familiar embroidery on the front. We have the next, after stopping in size, I had to pick up this simple black ice cream tee with the logo hits on the front, nice and subtle, just keeping it simple. And you're kind of gonna notice a color palette to everything here. It is very black, very gray. So we have the STUSSY basketball jersey to use as an overlayer, or if it's warm enough, just to throw it on in the sunshine. After this, the hit up of CARHARTT, we have the pocket tee with the local, global, universal print on the back. So just black and grey, subtle piece, just quick on the front, easy to throw on. Now, to finish it off, we have these. I had to pick up a second pair, and as you can tell by the extra laces and the lace aglets, it is the Run the Jewels Dunk High. I love these, from gold there to the hidden pockets, the fur. Yeah, these are beautiful. So without further ado, that was what I copped on my trip to Madrid. Thank you for watching another episode of Al's Fits and Kicks. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and see you next time. Peace.